compressor is a machine that compresses gas into high-pressure gas. It uses mechanical energy to compress gas into a smaller volume, increasing the gas's density and pressure. These compressors typically consist of a compressor body, a compressor drive system, a control system, and other auxiliary equipment. The principle of compressor operation is to reduce the volume and increase the pressure of gas by mechanical action, achieving gas compression. These compressors are commonly used in many industrial applications, such as air compression, oxygen compression, refrigeration systems, oxygen production systems, and so on. In some household and commercial applications, such as air conditioners and refrigerators, compressors are also used. Compressors come in many different types and classification methods, and here are some of the main types. Reciprocating compressors, also known as piston compressors, they are one of the earliest compressors widely used. They compress gas by the reciprocating motion of the piston in the cylinder and are commonly used in refrigeration systems, industrial gas transportation, and pressurization. Screw compressors suck gas into the compression chamber through screw-shaped rotors and then compress it by rotating screws. They are commonly used in fields such as air compression, refrigeration, and air conditioning. Centrifugal compressors compress gas by using high-speed rotating centrifugal machinery and are commonly used in industrial gas transportation and pressurization, oxygen production, gas separation, and so on. Vortex compressors use the formation of a vortex flow to compress gas and are usually suitable for low-pressure and high-flow gas compression, such as ventilation, air boosting, and pumping. Scroll compressors use a rotating scroll and a fixed scroll to compress gas and are suitable for refrigeration systems and air conditioning. Spiral compressors use rotating spiral shafts to compress gas and are usually used for compressing air, liquefied natural gas, and industrial gas. In addition to the above main types, there are also some special compressors, such as diaphragm compressors, adsorption compressors, and electric compressors, which have different applications and advantages and disadvantages. Common brands of existing compressors include Siemens, Mitsubishi, Bitzer, York, Hitachi, Daikin, LG, Danfoss, and others. These brands are mainly manufactured in Germany, the United States, China, Japan, and Italy. After purchasing and installing, daily maintenance is also key to determining the lifespan of the compressor. Regularly replacing the air and all filters can prevent impurities and dirt from entering the compressor and ensure good gas quality and the lubrication system of the compressor. Regularly checking the oil level of the compressor, lubricating oil, and adding or replacing it as needed is important. Low oil levels can cause friction and wear, while high oil levels can affect the efficiency of the compressor. Regularly cleaning the cooler can prevent dust and impurities from accumulating inside the cooler, which can affect the heat dissipation of the compressor. Regularly checking the belt tension and adjusting it as needed is also important. Belts that are too loose or too tight can affect the efficiency and lifespan of the compressor. Regularly checking for leaks or damage in the air path and promptly repairing them is important. Leaks can cause energy waste and reduced efficiency. Regularly checking the various components of the compressor, such as cylinders, pistons, and valves, to ensure that they are in good condition, and replacing worn or damaged parts in a timely manner is also important.